Hey Glam Fam, it's officially prom season and the girls are not playing. Today I'm bringing you a slay-worthy look I did on my stunning client. She wanted all the drama, let me tell you, a bold smoky eye with jewels, honey. And trust, she delivered. Keep watching to see this full transformation. All right, let's get into it. I've already did the skin prep before I started recording. So now here I'm blending out her crease, giving those warm brown tones to pair with this smoky eye we're gonna do for her. I'm using the Makeup by Mario palette. When doing a look like this, it's definitely all about blending, and you want those colors to lay well and seamlessly blend into each other. So you'll see me going back and forth with my shader brush and my two blending brushes. Let's move to the face now that we have her eyes seamlessly blended. Here I'm using the new Morphe color corrector in peach to help cover some of her hyperpigmentation, because baby, we have to have a flawless base for prom night. Now let's move to her foundation. My go-to is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I'm using two different colors on her. The first one is Macao, and then I went in with her actual skin tone for the perimeter of her face, which is Marquise's. I love NARS Soft Matte. It gives that flawless finish without being too thick and heavy. It feels great on your skin, wears very well. face, looking flawless and fresh, we're going to move to highlighting with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Concealer all blended out flawlessly. I'm going to set that in place with the One Size setting powder in Ultra Peach. This has really become one of my favorites. It's so blurring. It locks everything right into place. And I'm just going to set the areas where I put the concealer. Now I'm going to add a little warmth back to her face by using the Juvia's Place Bronzing Duo. Girlfriend wanted all the drama with her lashes. She was not playing, you hear me? Now these jewels were something else. They gave me a little trouble. And let me tell you, I struggled a little bit. lip combo. Trendsetter, the lip liner I'm using, is probably one of my favorite lip liners. I'd say top 3 brown lip liners. I have fallen in love with this new formula that Anastasia Beverly Hills has. It is so amazing and the colors are so beautiful. Topped it with a pink gloss from Milk. I did that because they're really sheer and I wanted to be able to still see the color of the lipstick. Depending on the person's skin, I usually will use 2 setting sprays. One, more of a melting spray to just marry everything all together. And the second one would be what they call a fixing spray, which is going to lock everything into place. And there we have it, our finished look. Girlfriend did not come to play. Yes. Like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell because more slays are on the way, baby.